Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the top 4 reasons you need to have your scale calibrated. So stay tuned. It's just a reality that over time scales lose their accuracy and need to be tested and possibly recalibrated. Depending on how you use your scales, they can be important to your business. And in some instances, they can be really important. So here are the top 4 reasons you should have your scales checked and calibrated on a regular basis. Reason number 4 is catching issues before they lead to downtime. In full disclosure, often a scale will work fine and then something falls out of nowhere, or perhaps there was an outside issue, such as a lightning strike, that causes an issue. But sometimes a scale technician might find a potential problem that can be fixed before it causes a failure or extended downtime. For example, maybe a tech finds a cut cable or discovers that a scale pit is full of water. Regular scale checks can usually help with these types of issues. Reason number 3 is tangible calibration certificates. You may think your scale is weighing accurately, but how do you know without some type of documentation or actual certified weights being placed on the scale? Depending on the legal requirements of your state or industry, there may need to be some form of documented compliance that verifies the accuracy of your scale. A scale calibration certificate should provide you with traceable certification that can be presented for auditing process at your operation. Of course, ideally this needs to be done at regular intervals that you and your scale company agree to. Reason number 2 is integrity and reputation. If your scale hasn't been checked in a really long time, that can obviously be bad. But what if your client or supplier questions you on how accurate your scales are? Or perhaps you undersold them on the weight of their products based on the inaccuracies of your scale. In the wrong situation, this could hurt your company image and reputation with your client or supplier. Reason number 1, money. I've already mentioned it before, but if your scales are even remotely important to your overall business process, then calibrating your scales on a regular basis just makes sense. If you're buying or selling to customers based on scale weights, then you obviously need an accurate scale that is checked regularly. As for catching possible failures before they happen, maybe you catch a few things here and there, but ultimately the main benefit you want is accurate scales year-round. Well, there you have it. The top 4 reasons you need to have your scale checked and calibrated on a regular basis. Best of all, if you're located in Central North Carolina, we would be happy to discuss our scale calibration options that we offer. Just call us at 919-776-7737, or you can visit us at centralcarolinascale.com. Thanks for watching.